Hi everyone, myself I am LK, graduated from IIT Indore. So today we are going to solve this question which is appeared in Jee Mains 2026 April 6 shift 1. Let's see this. The given question is 1 cube minus 2 cube plus 3 cube minus 4 cube and so on up to plus 15 cube. So we need to find this expression value. So if you see here in the question, all the exponents are 3, 3, 3, but the bases are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on up to 15. So by looking at this, we need to understand, we can apply this identity here. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on up to n cube, which is nothing but n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. So this identity we are going to use here, but in the question they gave minus symbol for all the even terms, but here plus is there. So what I'm going to do, I'm adding plus terms and I'm subtracting minus terms. So let's see. So 1 cube minus 2 cube plus 3 cube minus 4 cube and so on up to 15 cube. I am adding plus 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 16 cube up to 14 cube, and I am subtracting same thing, minus 2 cube minus 4 cube minus 6 cube and so on up to minus 14 cube. So now I am taking all the positive terms in the starting. So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on up to 15 cube. Next I am taking negative terms, minus 2 cube minus 4 cube minus 6 cube and so on up to minus 14 cube, and again minus 2 cube minus 4 cube minus 6 cube and so on up to minus 14 cube. So now looking at these terms, we can apply this identity. So this is nothing but here n value 15, so 15 square into 15 plus 1 whole square by 4 minus here minus 2 cube minus 2 cube minus 4 cube minus 4 cube. So every term is 2 times repeating, so I am taking 2 in front, then it is nothing but 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube plus and so on up to 14 cube. So same identity we can apply here also, but the problem is it is not starting with 1. So by looking at all the numbers, these all are even numbers. So can we take 2 common? Yes, we can take. So this is 15 square, nothing but 225 into this is 16 square, which is 256 by 4 minus 2 into, I am taking 2 cube from all the terms. So if you take 2 cube common, it will become 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on up to 14 is there. If you take 2 common, 7 will be left over. So this is 7 cube. So here again we can use that identity. Here the value of n is 7. So this is nothing but 225 into 256 by 4 minus 2 into 2 cube is 8, 2 into 8 into, I am applying identity again. So this is nothing but 7 square into 7 plus 1 whole square by 4. So now if you calculate this, this is nothing but 4, 256, 64 times. So this is 225 into 64 minus, we can cancel 4, 8 2 times, 2 2s are 4 into 7 square 49 into 7 plus 1 whole square, which is 64. Okay. So instead of multiplying these two, I can take 64 common so that our calculation become easy. So this is 225 minus 4 into 49. So this is nothing but 64 into 225 minus 4 into 49. If you calculate it, we'll get 196. So 64 into 225 minus 196. So if you subtract this, we'll get 29. Okay. So multiply these two, 64 into 29, which is our required answer. So if you multiply 64 into 29, this is 6, 3, 57 and 2 into 64, which is 128. So if you add this 6, this is 5, 1, 8, 1. So this is nothing but 1856. So this is the required answer for our question, which is very simple question. Just we need to apply only one formula, that is sum of cubes formula, and we need to do the calculation properly. Okay, this formula we need to use in the whole question. So answer is 1856, which is option 2 is correct. Okay.